In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable multi-currency in Zoho Books. Managing finances in different currencies can be crucial for businesses dealing in global markets. Zoho Books offers an efficient solution by automatically enabling the multi-currency feature. Our task today is to make sure the exchange rate feeds are enabled, allowing for seamless currency conversions and real-time updates. First and foremost, let's head into the Zoho Books interface and navigate to the Settings option. You'll typically find this in the upper right section of your screen. Accessing the settings is your go-to step whenever you want to make adjustments or configure any part of Zoho Books. So, go ahead and click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, direct your attention to the Organization section. Under this section, you'll find an option labeled Currencies. Select Currencies to move on to the next part of customizing your setup. This is the area where you can manage different currency preferences and unique settings for your organization. It's ideal for ensuring that your financial operations are flexible and tailored to your business needs. With the Currencies page in front of you, the next action is to focus on the top right corner. There you'll see the option to Enable Exchange Rate Feeds. Click on this option to activate the feed. By enabling the exchange rate feeds, Zoho Books will automatically pull in the latest exchange rate data for you. This feature helps in maintaining accuracy in your financial documentation and calculations, without needing to constantly update rates manually. As soon as you've clicked Enable Exchange Rate Feeds, Zoho Books will prompt you with a confirmation message. Here, you'll need to simply click OK to finalize the action. This prompt is just a way for Zoho to ensure that you're making intentional configurations and that this is what you want to proceed with. Once confirmed, your settings will be applied, and you'll have real-time exchange rate information seamlessly integrated into your system. By following these straightforward steps, you've now successfully enabled exchange rate feeds in Zoho Books. This enhancement provides a more dynamic and practical application of the multi-currency feature, making it simpler for you to manage global transactions with precision. Remember, keeping your financial system updated with current exchange rates not only saves time, but also reduces the chances of errors in financial reporting. Thank you for tuning into this quick tutorial. With the right setup, you can leverage Zoho Books' capabilities to their fullest, ensuring your business runs smoothly across diverse markets. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore additional resources from Zoho's help documentation for in-depth guidance.